In professional kitchens around the world, most of the equipment is made of stainless steel. That's because stainless steel is perfect for the job. Cooking is one of the great arts, and it's a skill that goes beyond just creating wonderful dishes. You can't cook properly if your equipment's dirty or damaged. Good chefs are proud of their equipment and treat it with loving care and respect. Correct cleaning procedures are vital to protect health, of course, but also to protect stainless steel kitchen equipment from corrosion. Stainless steel is amazing stuff, but you've got to take care of it if you want it to stay looking great. Some cleaning materials are aggressive to stainless steel and will make it corrode. We went to a major international cooking school to see how students Madeline, Nobuyuki, Guillaume, Gary, Bastien and Baba clean and maintain the school's kitchen. The simple procedures they follow are approved by stainless steel manufacturers. Do what they do, and your stainless steel kitchen will stay in perfect condition for many, many years without a trace of corrosion. When you're washing small, shiny stainless steel kitchen items, it's obviously important not to damage the delicate surface. Madeline's using a basic washing up liquid, which is harmless to stainless steel. She'll wipe the equipment with a kitchen cloth, rather than a scouring pad, which would obviously scratch the surface. Scratches can even lead to corrosion, since they can trap minute quantities of cleaning products, which may be aggressive to stainless steel. Madeline rinses thoroughly and stacks everything so it can drip dry. She'll only put the equipment away when it's totally dry. This is to avoid all risk of contamination and corrosion. To remove traces of limescale, Madeline could dry the equipment with a paper kitchen towel, but the best way to do this is to use softened water. For cleaning work surfaces, Nobuyuki uses a cleaning and disinfecting product that conforms to national food safety regulations. Rule number 1 in using any disinfecting product is to always follow the concentration recommended by the manufacturer. Disinfecting products contain active ingredients that will cause stainless steel to corrode if the product isn't used in the right way. Putting more in doesn't mean better cleaning, but it does mean higher corrosion risk. Here too, Nobuyuki uses a kitchen cloth to avoid scratching the stainless steel surfaces. Again, to avoid inviting corrosion, Nobuyuki makes sure that the disinfecting product is not in contact with the stainless steel for too long. He rinses it away thoroughly. Finally, he dries the surfaces with a clean, disinfected squeegee. To clean the fridge, Guillaume uses the same cleaning and disinfecting product. Like Nobuyuki, he'll use the recommended concentration and watch the duration of contact to avoid risk of corrosion. Guillaume's kitchen is equipped with a system that automatically measures the concentration of the product in water. Otherwise, he'd prepare the solution in a bucket using a measuring cap, then apply it with a cloth. When Guillaume removed the interior parts before starting, this was so he could rinse the fridge better after cleaning it. This cleaning product can be aggressive to stainless steel and must be rinsed away completely. Guillaume rinses the interior very thoroughly, washing away all traces of the cleaning product. He dries the surfaces with a clean squeegee. Guillaume repeats the process for the exterior. He's using a kitchen cloth rather than a scouring pad so as not to scratch the delicate stainless steel surface and spoil the appearance of the fridge. Bravo, Guillaume! Another job well done. Gary's job is to clean the oven. The cleaning product he'll use contains soda to remove cooked grease. This product is dangerous for the skin and mucous membranes, so Gary wears gloves and a mask. He sprays the diluted cleaning product onto the surface of the cool oven. Our hero heats the oven to a maximum temperature of 60 degrees centigrade. Above this temperature, the product could become highly corrosive for stainless steel. He observes the maximum duration of contact specified by the cleaning product's manufacturer. All Gary needs to wipe away the cooked-in grease and the traces of cleaning product is a cloth soaked in fresh water. If need be, as long as the stainless steel doesn't have a shiny surface finish, Gary can use a scouring pad. You must never use a metallic scourer. The more regularly you clean an oven, the easier it is to clean each time. Here, Gary's hard work has paid off, handsomely. The cooking top is covered with cooked-in grease, so Bastien will have to use the same product as Gary. He makes sure the heat is switched off to allow the top to cool and puts on a mask and gloves. Bastien sprays the diluted product onto the equipment. He leaves the product to do its work for the time recommended by the product manufacturer, and no longer. Using fresh water and either a kitchen cloth or a scouring pad, he cleans the surface. Bastien must never use a metallic scourer. As well as scratching the surface, if the scourer is made of ordinary steel and not stainless steel, it'll quickly lead to serious corrosion. Ordinary steel and stainless steel just don't mix. Of course, he rinses very thoroughly with fresh water to finish the job. Perfect. A deep fryer should ideally be cleaned after every cooking session. Guillaume turns off the heat. He empties and filters the oil. Before cleaning it, Guillaume fills the deep fryer with fresh water to swill away carbonated food debris and remaining oil. He then empties it out. The cleaning product is strong, so he puts on gloves. Guillaume carefully prepares the recommended concentration of the cleaning product in a bucket before pouring it into the fryer. Most cleaning products must never come into contact with stainless steel unless diluted. He heats up the fryer to the temperature specified by the cleaning product's manufacturer and leaves it for the recommended time. With a scouring pad, Guillaume cleans the splash zone. Notice that he's using the same product. Never mix different cleaning products, especially a descaling product and a product containing soda. This would lead to corrosion of the stainless steel. Guillaume empties it out. He takes out the basket and the protecting grid, which he'll wash separately. He then cleans the fryer with fresh water and a kitchen cloth. To finish, Guillaume fills the fryer with fresh water for the final rinse. Finally, he dries the fryer with a kitchen cloth. Clean as a whistle. It's time for Baba to wash the floor. This kitchen has a system that automatically measures the concentration of the cleaning product. Otherwise, he'd simply measure the solution in a bucket, of course. Cleaning products designed for floors should never be used to clean work surfaces. Their composition is very specific and may not be allowed for food contact surfaces. Notice that Baba uses a non-metallic brush for the feet of the table. He uses a separate brush for the floor. He won't use this brush on the work surfaces. There's a specific cleaning product, a specific tool, and a specific method for each task, each cleaning challenge, and each surface. Then Baba rinses thoroughly, paying particular attention to all the stainless steel surfaces the cleaning product has been in contact with. Finally, he dries the surfaces with a squeegee. Of course, he uses a different squeegee to dry the floor. Nice one, Baba. Our young film stars are justifiably proud of their work. Your stainless steel equipment will last for many years if you follow these simple rules. First, always use recommended products made by reputable manufacturers. Then, write out and display your cleaning procedures and respect the concentration, temperature and time of contact indicated by the manufacturer of whichever cleaning product you are using. Finally, be sure to rinse and dry thoroughly at the end. Thanks, kids.